Alright, let's talk about three key ideas in conservative thought that shape their view on the economy: property rights, free markets, and economic freedom. These concepts are crucial for understanding how conservatives think society can best achieve prosperity and individual fulfillment. Property rights. Property rights are a cornerstone of conservative economic thinking. At its core, this idea means that individuals have the right to own and control their property without excessive interference. Conservatives believe that property rights are essential for personal freedom and economic prosperity. Why are property rights so important? For starters, they provide individuals with the security to invest and innovate. If you know that what you create or earn is protected, you are more likely to take risks and work hard. This sense of ownership drives people to improve their property and, by extension, contributes to the overall wealth and development of society. Property rights also foster a sense of responsibility. When people own property, they tend to take better care of it. This not only benefits the individual owner, but also has positive effects on the community. Well-maintained properties lead to nicer neighborhoods, higher property values, and a better quality of life for everyone. Free markets. Now, let's talk about free markets. Conservatives argue that free markets are the best way to allocate resources efficiently and foster economic growth. A free market is one where prices are determined by supply and demand without undue interference from the government. In a free market, competition drives innovation and efficiency. Businesses strive to provide better products and services at lower prices to attract customers. This competition benefits consumers who get more choices and better value for their money. It also encourages businesses to be more innovative and efficient as they constantly look for ways to improve and stay ahead of their competitors. Free markets also allow individuals to pursue their economic interests. Whether you want to start your own business, invest in stocks, or simply choose where to shop, a free market gives you the freedom to make those decisions. Conservatives believe this freedom is crucial for personal and economic development. Critics of free markets often point to issues like inequality and exploitation. However, conservatives argue that while no system is perfect, free markets provide the best framework for addressing these issues through innovation and competition rather than heavy-handed government intervention. Economic freedom. Economic freedom ties everything together. This concept is about giving individuals the freedom to make their own economic choices, including what to buy, where to work, and how to invest. Conservatives believe that economic freedom leads to greater prosperity and better opportunities for everyone. Economic freedom means fewer regulations and lower taxes, which conservatives argue allows businesses to thrive and individuals to keep more of their hard-earned money. When people have more control over their finances, they can save, invest, and spend in ways that benefit themselves and the economy as a whole. For conservatives, economic freedom is also about fairness. They believe that people should be rewarded for their hard work and initiative, and that everyone should have the opportunity to succeed based on their efforts and talents. This means creating an environment where entrepreneurship and innovation can flourish. Together, these principles create a framework where individuals and businesses can succeed and contribute to the overall wealth and well-being of society. Conservatives believe that this approach leads to a more dynamic, prosperous, and fair economy.